Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that DeFi app token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, DeFi app Home is a unified mobile first decentralized finance platform designed to simplify complex on-chain activities like swapping, yield farming and perpetual trading across multiple blockchains. Unified DeFi platform, it consolidates swapping, perpetual trading, and yield farming into one intuitive interface, removing technical barriers like gas fees and bridging, cross-chain and gasless. The platform uses account abstraction to sponsor gas fees, enabling seamless transaction across EVM and Solana chains without holding native tokens. Governance and incentives. The home token powers platform governance, staking rewards, fee discount, and a revenue sharing buyback system to align user and ecosystem growth. DeFi app token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 3.83 billion home token. Home token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, KuCoin, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.